Hello, today I'm going to tell you a secret that every big YouTuber follows. The secret of thumbnail designing. What are the hidden psychological factors in a successful YouTube thumbnail? Like, the content which is created on the YouTube is for the humans, and there is some key factors by which the audience decides whether to click on the YouTube thumbnail or not to click. If a YouTube thumbnail matches some basic hidden psychological factors, then audience will definitely click on it. So, our first hidden feature is that those grid lines. Most of the small creators ignores that grid lines, but the big creators do not. It is the basic psychological factor which includes the center character should be placed in between the grid lines. Means the center character in a thumbnail should be placed along with these grid lines, and it will draw the attention of the audience toward your center character. If you create your thumbnail in that way, it will definitely go viral. Our next hidden psychological trick is to make YouTube thumbnail perfectly symmetrical. The left side of the thumbnail should be equal to the right side of the thumbnail, as the viewers loves the symmetrical things. If the thumbnail is symmetrical, the chances of getting clicked on that video will be increased. Our next trick is that put the important things on the left side of the YouTube thumbnail. From the childhood, humans generally have the habit of reading from left to right. In order to comfort that habit, one should put the important things on the left side of the thumbnail, or make a thumbnail in such a way that the left side of the thumbnail should be grabbing the attraction toward the right side of the thumbnail. Now I will tell you how you can also make such kind of thumbnail with the help of Nano Banana. But before that, I will summarize all the points about the thumbnail psychology. First one is make the center character on the grid lines. Second one is make the thumbnail symmetrical. And the third one is put the important things on the left side. First of all, create all the resources and images with the help of Nano Banana. Now open your software, image editor. Now import your all resources. Align your all resources. Put a fancy text over it. Ensure that it should meet the principles which I have said in the video. Now that is ready, export it and the work is done. There is something left. Increase the contrast so that the face will become visible. Text should be fancy. The background should be blur or darken, and there is some point of the video card which is shown in the end screen. It will definitely add some values to your life. So click on it and buy.